tune in for another one. You know where we're going. Where we're going. Let me give you a clue. Let me get my clue together for y'all. Yes, sir. Let's go.
It's good for drifting. It's too heavy. Oh, okay. It's hard to get around. That's it. Oh, okay. Where do you go drifting at? Well, it's like this guy here. So it's pretty far here. So I don't know. I'm not going that far.
I'm keeping in my Civic. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding.
What's up, y'all? Here we are. We in the yard. It's hot as fuck today. Feel like it's on its way to like 100. Shit, there go the fucking coil packs I need right there. Look no further. All 8 of them. So it's still hot as fuck though. We're gonna call this, we're gonna nickname this truck the giving truck. Cause I got the harness off of here. What else I get off of here? Something else. Yeah, we're gonna call this the giving truck. I done got damn near everything off of here. Except for the block. And talking to my mechanic buddy, shit, the blocks don't be no fucking good. Although it would help to find one that's pointing this way so we can be in the fucking shade. But let's see what the fuck we can find. So it's a couple factors here. One, it's hot as fuck. 2, selection is limited. 3, it's hot as fuck. And number 4, selection is limited. And to round it off, number 5, it's hot as fuck. Alright, so we back at the giving truck, man. All 4 coil packs is there. Should be 3 or 4 fucking screws. Snatch both of them bitches off. And then the only thing we really need is a fucking fuel rail. Oh, look, is that the alternator they put back there? Let's take a peep. Let's take a fucking peep. It's really too hot to be talking, so oh, that shit all banged up. Yeah, man, but I gotta conserve my fucking energy. The more I talk, the less energy I have to get this shit done. It's hot as fuck. So as you can see, we made it happen. Got the coil packs off. 10mm bolts. I watched another video about a dude replacing them, and he never said the fucking bolt size. And that's all I went to his video for, was the bolt size. So 10mm bolts hold the coil packs onto the valve covers. The more you know. Shout out to my boy Logo.